Meaning of fontanelle.
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 Fontanelle. A fontanelle is a soft spot on a baby's head where the bones of the skull have not yet fused together. There are typically two fontanelles, one at the top of the head and one at the back. They allow for the baby's brain to grow and accommodate the rapid development of the skull. Fontanelles are usually completely closed by the time a child is 2 years old, although they may gradually fuse together over several months. In some cases, an abnormally large or small fontanelle may indicate a medical issue that requires further attention.